This is Ashton Collier's Fountain and Shooting Club HQ. When we're shooting rats down the allotments, it's a handy little place just to nip back there, have a cup of tea and get warmed through for half an hour.
And just to check was the word in, spot on. Our first port of call is Jimmy's. There's not a lot of rat here, but it's okay. This is our first attempt at night vision hunting, so you'll just have to bear with me till we get through a few of our teething problems. And as you can see already, we need our lighting sorted. And in hindsight, we now know that if I tried to pull the focus back to get rid of that dark area, the rats would look like kangaroos. So basically, we need a bigger light. And I just can't make that crosshair out at all. And I'm a bit short of lamp oil, but that's beyond the joke, like.
I hope all you viewers at home are sitting nice and comfortable watching this DVD, but just spare a little thought for me, because that's where I'm sitting tonight. And that's a company I've got.
And this is my favourite place, the trough. Baby, come back. The picture you're seeing is a lot brighter than the picture I'm actually seeing. And this fiasco went on for almost 5 minutes.
Are we here? Oh my God. There's the one behind us now, but I want him.
got you. I would never have lived it down if I hadn't have gotten him.
Just been there for that piece of bread. I seen the bread move in the dark. He'll be back. He has been back, and he took the bread. Oh, he didn't get far with that bread, did he?
That'll on you. Well, last year it was all I should say is, mind Billy, we seem to be going through an awful lot of bread lately. Now to do with me, honey. And I can't stress it enough to our young club members. If the shot's not on, don't take it. Just wait till they wind their neck in and bang. And here we have a young courting couple having a night out on the tiles. Aye, must be nice. But the one thing I didn't miss mind is a bad heat in the morning. Watch for the changeover behind the bucket. Teach them.
Little.
I had a go at putting the IR light on, but that's not for me, like. And he gets the prize for being the biggest rat shot to date. He's a whopper. Even on the screen at home, I couldn't make that cursor out. No chance. And I knew there was something the matter with that camera earlier, like. And I don't know where the money's gonna come from for another one. See what I mean about pulling the focus back in? And we'll pull the light back in as well, and as you can see, it's just too dark.
Missed.
And I've mentioned this time and time again, even after a good shot, adrenaline kicks in. It makes it look like a bad shot.
That was trying to dread that rat. I was just watching to see what it was gonna do. I was definitely trying to dread it before, just as I put the camera on.
This is my allotment, but typical, I haven't got my gun. Gaylord mate of his, like.
Scunner, you got your gun with you? However, I've got something to show you. He'll probably miss you now. Oh yeah, I've got a nice surprise for you. Go away.
I've only got a couple of shots. Then the skedaddled.
I see him there making all the racket, because he's had a couple of days off the scooter. He's a bit fresh. This is another way of taking care of the problem. Live